Hi everyone, and welcome back to DK50 Plus Adventures. Today we're here and we're walking across the bypass for the Hoover Dam. Never been here before, so we're going to go for a walk across. It's a very busy bypass, this one. Look across the mountains and we'll look down into the valley of the Colorado River and the Hoover Dam. Okay, so here we go. We're walking across and down to the famous Hoover Dam. See the mountains in the background. This is the Mike O'Callaghan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. And it's a long way down. Sorry about the traffic noise in the background. Let's see if I can get a bit of a zoom in on the actual dam itself. There we go there. So this is looking at the dam wall, the face of the wall. Okay. Lots and lots of people walking across the bypass today. What a beautiful area though. Absolutely amazing, this place. Whoa, very windy. Gotta hang on to my phone. This is quite a long bridge too. So here we are actually at the wall. This is the middle of the bridge. And if you look all the way down there, which is quite a long way down, and look back up to the Hoover Dam itself. So now we're down off the bypass bridge and we're looking at the food and gift shop at the Hoover Dam. And if you're wondering where we were right up there, right in the middle, looking down, right down here to the dam down here. Now we're about to go on a tour. I'm not sure whether we can video on the tour or not, but if we can, I'll try and get as much footage as I can. If not, I will continue shortly. So here we are, we're down the bottom. This is one of the diversion tunnels that they used to divert the water away so they could build the actual Hoover Dam. Here we are at the power plant side in Nevada. There is 8 turbines here that create all the power for the country at the Hoover Dam. We are on the Nevada side, and on the Arizona side there is another 8 turbines as well. Now we're about to head back up 56 floors back up to the top of the Hoover Dam. Okay, so now we are here at the level for the top of the Hoover Dam. And we're going to take a walk across the dam very shortly. Just move around to this side here, and you'll be able to see right down to the bottom. All the way down there. Now I'll zoom back a bit. Just take it back. There we go. Gives you a good look at the actual dam. And this is part of the canyon. Okay, so continuing our tour, we are up on the Hoover Dam and we are overlooking the wonderful, picturesque Lake Mead. These are the intake towers here for the water for the turbines to create the electricity. Now the water level, you can see, is very, very low at the moment. They haven't had much rain here in Nevada or Arizona, and it's way down. Usually where that white line is on the sides of the cliffs there is usually where the water level is, and over time they haven't had much rain and it's slowly receded down. Okay, so now I'm at the Hoover Dam Exhibition Centre with all the information about how the Hoover Dam was built, when it was built. It's a really cool place. Lots of really good information about the whole Hoover Dam and the process that the workers went through over the years. Lots of information and exhibits about what they used and how they built the dam. So we're still in the exhibition, and this is the power grid of all the power that gets distributed throughout from the Hoover Dam. Pretty amazing. Got some wonderful wall art here as well. We'll continue the tour.
3.5-inch diameter cables.
So continuing the tour of the Hoover Dam, here we are on the observation deck. And this is, let's look over the side down there. That's pretty awesome.
It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world.
Wonderful.
Capacity, 150
Wonderful.
tons.
And then if we look down this way, we've got the bypass there, and then you've got the Colorado River continuing down further. We'll walk down here and we'll have a look
at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless man that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project.
We'll get a shot of the Colorado River going underneath the bypass. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. Again, thanks everyone for watching. Really appreciate it. So please subscribe, like and comment. And thank you, and see you on the next video.